Ladies, you have finally made it to Single Moms Make Money. This is the place where you will gain knowledge on how to make money and provide information to help single mothers be successful. For regular updates, please hit the little cute red button and tap the bell icon for future videos. Now let's make some money, ladies. 7. Side business ideas you can start on Facebook. Are you a Facebook addict? Do you spend hours of time on the Facebook app scrolling the news feed, watching memes and videos? Maybe sometimes you may regret your addiction to Facebook. You won't regret it if you know the business opportunities behind Facebook, and the good news that you don't know is that you are already qualified to start working on these business ideas on your own and to make good profits. Are you interested? Then keep watching this video and learn about side business ideas you can start on Facebook. Before going to the list, let me tell you some facts about Facebook and how it is reliable to launch your business. These facts are important to know for any entrepreneur or business owner to make benefits to their business using Facebook in the right way. Why Facebook is suitable for side businesses? I am not focusing on saying Facebook is the biggest social media platform on the internet. Everybody knows it. Let's see how Facebook is profitable and beneficial for business owners. Facebook has its own artificial intelligence that tracks a user's internet activity outside of Facebook. This enables Facebook to show relevant ads on users' news feeds while they are scrolling. Just go to Google and search about something, maybe about Bluehost hosting services, then go to Facebook. You will start seeing Bluehost ads on your newsfeed or maybe any other hosting-related ads. This is just because Facebook's AI understood that you are searching to buy a web hosting service. More than 750 million members use Facebook every day. And on average, each person spends 50 minutes on Facebook daily. Using Facebook pages, you can connect people with your businesses. Great way to keep engaged with your customers. Facebook is a great platform to launch your own brand and make people aware of your business. You can build followers and customers too. These are some important facts that prove Facebook is the right place to start your business. Let's see the possible business opportunities that you can start working on today. This list of business ideas you can start without spending money and not so much more when you need to spend. If you are a daily Facebook user, then you know how to handle your business on this platform. Let's go into the list. 1. Managing Facebook pages. Are you interested to manage and post on Facebook pages? Then this business will give you great money every month. Companies hire people who are always active on Facebook to maintain their Facebook business pages. All you need to do is post content provided by companies, respond to messages, and boosting posts. You need not stick to one business page. You can work for as many companies as you can. As long as you work with consistency and bring good results, the more pages and payments you will get from this business. How to find business pages? It is a little tough to get deals in this business. But you can contact some local business owners that are not actually on the internet and social media as well. You should make them understand the benefits of having a business page on social media and how good you are as a manager to maintain your online business. 2. Become a Facebook ad manager. This job pays you big bucks. But results only matter in this business. Note: one better hack that helps you to find leads is sending messages to business pages. Check your news feed every 10 minutes, and Facebook will show you ads in your news feed. Check those pages and their business by visiting those pages. If you feel any page is right for you, then contact them directly. This definitely works. 3. Create and sell graphics. Do you have any special skills in creating posters and banners using graphics? Then this job is for you. 4. Facebook instant articles. Do you run a website or blog? Did you place any ads on your website using AdSense or any other advertising partner? Facebook Instant Articles is also a similar program to Google AdSense that serves ads on its publishers' websites. Facebook Ads program pays based on the number of impressions and eCPM, estimated cost per thousand ad impressions. Websites with the Instant Articles program open within the Facebook app when someone clicks on your link. And there is no loading, every page opens instantly. Facebook serves ads on web pages that are open through the Facebook app only. This is presently limited to mobile internet users. But their CPM is quite good. It varies from $10 to $30. This means, for every 1000 AD impressions, you will make $10 to $30. If you get ad clicks, then you can earn more from this program. Google AdSense never pays for impressions, they will only pay for ad clicks. If you have a good following on Facebook, then instant articles is a great idea to start. 5. Flipping Facebook pages. Flipping or selling fan pages is also a good idea. If you know how to build followers on Facebook pages, then you can build pages on your own and sell them for good prices. If you are not interested to build, then you can buy fan pages for low prices and sell them for profits. Both are great ideas to start. Why people buy Facebook pages? Buying and selling Facebook pages are only limited to some kind of Facebook page. Not all kind of pages is used to buy. Business owners and bloggers like to buy Facebook pages that are relevant to their topics, so they can increase their audience potential with very low investment. Another main reason to buy Facebook pages is these pages bring more results than paid ads, and the conversion rate will be higher for fan pages than paid ad campaigns. People who are following a fan page would like to react positively when you post on that page than boosting it on a new Facebook page. How to buy and sell Facebook pages. To buy a Facebook page, first, you must be clear on your purpose. Then find a relevant page that is not linked to any website or to any brand. Then you can inbox them to make a deal. To sell Facebook pages, many platforms are available on the internet. Simply list your page for your price. Interested people will directly contact you. 6. Managing your own brand page. Are you passionate about something and want to share it with people? Do you have any skills that amaze people every day? Then you can start a Facebook page to share your food, recipes, workouts, motivation, education, science, technology, fun, entertainment, trolls, especially famous on social media platforms, and more. You can share your thoughts in different formats like text, images, videos. How to build a Facebook page. To create a new fan page, you can directly start from your account. On the left side menu, you will have an option to create a new Facebook page. Once your page is created, then you can add page info that contains profile pictures, cover pictures, page info, contact details, and all other ideas. To get followers, you need to keep posting your own content every day. Since Facebook gets so many uploads every minute, the lifetime of every new post on Facebook is very low. Not even an hour. So, it is better to post 5 to 10 times a day will help you to reach more people. If you are doing videos, then one video is enough for a day, but you need to boost it to get followers in the initial days. As long as you are doing it with consistency, and when you get a certain number of followers, you will start getting organic followers daily and shares too. Not only on Facebook, but you can also build followers on other social media profiles with the same content. So it's better to focus on Twitter, Instagram, and more. Facebook shares are more powerful, which can make you a social superstar overnight. How fan pages make money? There is no specific way to say about the income of fan pages. There are many ways. Similar to blogging, you will get sponsored posts. People will pay you money for posting or including their business on your page. You can drive traffic to a website by posting interesting website links. If the topic of your page has a good market on the internet, like health, fitness, technology, then you can promote some good products for your audience. You can promote small pages, events, videos, and info on your page for money. And the new and trending way is you can rent your pages to some famous websites related to your topic. They will pay you monthly for posting their website links on your page. 7. Selling t-shirts. Well, selling t-shirts is not a new concept, but when it comes to selling on Facebook, we need a strategy too. People on Facebook are not interested to buy anything, they come to Facebook for some fun and entertainment. So you shouldn't ruin their mood by offering something to buy. They may get upset and unfollow you. So how to sell t-shirts, and how this business is possible on Facebook. Don't worry, this is possible when you go with the flow. Selling t-shirts is possible when you follow the trend. You all know that Facebook today is a big bank for memes. People create trolls, funny jokes, memes, and quotes on trending news, hot topics like movie releases, events. Especially when you are a daily user of Facebook, you may be aware of this happens daily. Following daily trending hashtags is also helpful to get ideas. These topics are more enough to make your business successful. If you design t-shirts by following these trends, definitely there will be a big number of sales, and t-shirts with creative quotes that are funny and relative to real life grab people's attention and also bring sales. How to create t-shirts online. Don't worry about designing t-shirts. There are so many platforms on the internet that print and deliver t-shirts for you and also share the profits with you. All you need to do is design t-shirts that have the potential to go viral. So, here we are at the end of the video. I hope this helps you to start your own business from these side business ideas. These are very lucrative businesses. These are ideas that you can start without putting in any investment. Few of them will demand skilled people, but you can gain those skills in less time if you are interested. There is no rocket science. 2 of those 7 business ideas single moms are already doing and making money from them. And those are advertising manager and graphics designer ideas, and all the remaining also is a very possible business for everyone to make a decent amount of money every month. So ladies, we here at Single Moms hope this information helps you make millions of dollars. Please spread the word and let us know what you like us to talk about. Toodles.